Hey guys, welcome back. So till now we have learned the basics of data structure, physical data structure and logical data structure. Hope all of these three sections are clear. Now in this video, let's start the fourth section, that is miscellaneous topics. So the first topic under miscellaneous topic section is sorting. So let's start learning the sorting chapter. So before we start learning the sorting chapter, let's see on a very high level what are the things that we are going to learn. So first we'll see what is sorting, then we'll see how many types of sorting are there. Then we'll see some terminologies around the sorting area, and then we'll see why do we need to learn so many sorting techniques. The next topic will of course be the actual sorting algorithms, which comprises of bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, etc. And then we'll conclude the chapter with comparing all of these algorithm techniques. That will give us on a very high level that which algorithm technique has what advantage and what disadvantage, and hence we will be able to pick appropriate algorithm depending on our actual needs. So now the question is, what exactly is sorting? So sorting is very simple. All it means is that we arrange the data in a particular format. Either it can be ascending or it can be descending order. If we can do that, that's nothing but a sorting. So now let's quickly see one simple example to understand sorting better. So here we have 5 ladies who are standing in a row. Now as we can see that the height of these ladies are in no particular order. That is, neither are they in ascending order or in descending order. So now if we apply any sorting technique, this is how they will look like. So now we see that they are in one order, that is, they are standing in a ascending order of height. Now how did we arrange these ladies in a sorted order is a question. So we have multiple sorting techniques as we are going to learn in the future videos. We can apply any of them to arrive at this solution. Fine. So I hope you have understood what is sorting on a very high level. Now let's see some practical examples of sorting. So one good example of sorting is Microsoft Excel. So if you have ever used this Microsoft Excel, you would have noticed that we have an option of sorting all the numbers in a given column either in ascending or in descending order. So depending on what we select over here, our entire data gets sorted in appropriate order. Similarly, if we go to some online store like Amazon, then if you would have observed, we have an option of sort by. So we can sort by different conditions. So this is also one good example of sorting in the real world. So now let's quickly see what are the types of sorting that we have. So all the sorting techniques that we are going to see, it can be divided into two categories. That is, depending on the space that is being used and depending on the stability. So under space being used, we have two subcategories, in place, out place, and under stability, we have two more subcategories, stable or unstable. So any given algorithm for sorting can either be in place or it can be out of place. Similarly, the same algorithm can either be stable or unstable. Now what do I mean by these things? Let's see in the next video.